Hello and welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to create a macrame bracelet using cords of different colors. I will use blue and yellow. First of all, I will take one cord and I will take the clamps and grab the cord with the clamps like this. And on this cord I will attach the other cords in the two colors. So I will put the ends of the cord one over the other and superpose the two halves of the cord, and I will create this loop, and I will put this loop under the cord here like this, and I will take the other ends of the cord, put them through this loop here, and create a knot like this. So as you can see, I have created this knot. Now I will take the second cord and also put the ends one over the other like this and create this loop here. I will take this loop and put it in the opposite direction like this, and with these other two cords I will put the cords through the loop to create another knot. And like this I have created two knots. And now let's start the creation of the bracelet itself. I will take the upper cord and put it over this cord here, and then I will take the end of the cord through this loop here and make one knot, and again I put it over this other cord and then through this loop here and make the second knot. And I have created two knots here. I'll put this cord away and I will take the upper cord of the blue color and do the same thing in the mirror. So I will create this number 4 shape, and with the end of this cord I will go under the middle cord here and I will create one knot like this. And then I'll make another shape of the number 4 and create another loop and put the cord through this second loop like this. So I have created two knots of the yellow color and two blue knots. And now let's continue. I will take the upper cord in the yellow color. Let's bring them like this so that they are more visible. So I will take the upper cord, the yellow cord, and put it over the cord here, and then I will take the cord through the loop that I have created and make the next knot. And again I will do the same operation. I will create another knot. So I create the shape of the number 4, and then I bring this cord underneath the other cord like this. Like this. Now I will take this blue cord, the upper cord, and put it over the middle cord here, and take the cord out through the loop like this and make another knot. And I repeat the steps and make another knot, a second knot, blue knot, and I created the next knot in the blue color. So as you can see, I have yellow knots on this side and blue knots on the other side. So let's continue. I will take the upper cord, yellow cord, put it over the middle cord here, take the cord out through this loop here like this and create the first knot, and again I put the cord like this and take it out here through the loop and create the second knot. Like this. So as you can see, the bracelet has started to take shape. And I will continue making these knots in this order until I have finished the portion with the bracelet. And then I will show you how to close the bracelet. And now let's make a few more knots, because the cords seem to be too short now to make any more knots, so I'll make the last knots with those cords. Let's make one more yellow knot. I'll make a couple of more knots here. And the last knot, the last yellow knot. And now I'll remove the clamps. So I have these cords here. So I will grab the cords, and on the back of the bracelet I will grab the cords and I will cross them. So the upper cord, the upper yellow cord, will be knotted, like this, together with the lower blue cord, and I make a knot like this. And I will take the lower yellow cord and the upper blue cord like this. I make another knot. This way. Like this. And now I have these cord leftovers, and I will simply cut the ends of this cord. Like this. And the other two cords as well. Like this. So as you can see, the cords are no longer visible because they are on the back of our bracelet. I'll put the leftovers of the cords away. Now let's see the bracelet. So we have this bracelet and these cords. Now the finished bracelet looks like this on the wrist, and here we can make in order to close the bracelet, we can make a simple knot like this. Another option would be to make a sliding knot, and we can also make a simpler knot. So I will take first of all the cords and make a knot at the end of the cord so that they do not open. Like this. And now I will take one of the cords, put it like this, and the other cord will be taken over this cord, and I will make a very simple knot like this. Like this. And this knot will help me open and close the bracelet. So let's see how it works. This way. So if I want to open the bracelet, I will open it like this. And if I want to close the bracelet, I will close it like this. So with a simple knot, you can close your bracelet. So this is what the finished bracelet looks like.